clothes. Rolling clothes instead of folding them helps save space and reduces wrinkles. Use packing cubes or compression bags. These handy organizers help maximize space in your suitcase and keep your clothing items neatly separated. Pack versatile clothing items. Choose clothes that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits, allowing you to pack lighter while still having plenty of options. Utilize empty spaces. Make use of the empty spaces in your shoes by stuffing them with small items like socks or accessories. Pack travel-size toiletries. Opt for travel-size toiletries or use refillable bottles to save space and adhere to airline liquid restrictions. Organize electronic cables. Keep electronic cables and chargers organized by placing them in a Ziploc bag or using a designated organizer. Carry a reusable water bottle. Save money and stay hydrated. Packing a reusable water bottle that you can refill throughout your trip.